Hey guys, in today's outdoor activity, we are up in a canyon called Waterfall Canyon, which is located in Ogden, Utah. Now this is a hike that I've wanted to do for some time, and today I finally get the opportunity, so I'm super excited. Now the hike ends at a 200-foot waterfall, so I figured, considering it's spring runoff, it should be flowing pretty good, and it should be a pretty cool sight to see. So stay tuned, and I will show you around as we make our way up to this beautiful waterfall. Okay, my friends, as you make your way up the Waterfall Canyon Trail, part of this trail leads through private property. Now, the landowner has graciously kept this portion of the trail open so the public can still access this beautiful waterfall. So please do your part and stay on the trail, don't leave any trash, and just make your way through the private property so that you can access this beautiful canyon. Alright my friends, we're almost there. You can see the waterfall right there. Check it out my friends, we're here! Check that out, it's gorgeous. Woo!
Oh, that spray
is awesome. Definitely worth the hike.
That's the reward. That spray, that whole spray.
You're okay. Thank you. Hey my friends, what a gorgeous hike and what a gorgeous waterfall. Now if you plan on hiking the Waterfall Canyon Trail, be prepared for a moderate hike. Right from the trailhead all the way to the waterfall is nothing but elevation gain. And also make sure you wear a good pair of hiking shoes or hiking boots, because there are several places on the trail that require you to scramble over large rocks and boulders. And on our hike today, most of that area was wet because of the spring runoff. Hey my friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next outdoor activity. Bye bye.